proponents of
Like
People's
who?
Initiative.
Like who
And
po?
then this
Sino po?
constituent-
Sino po?
Constituent Assembly,
Hindi.
You are not answering the
You're not-
question, Mr. Oñate.
Sino ho
Please
nag-
listen to the question of Senator Senator Binay.
Hindi ko naman ho
Ha?
tinatanong yung...
Yeah, tinatanong ka kung sino. Please answer.
I know her. Okay, yes.
Hindi nga.
Tinatanong ka lang ho kung sino ho yung nag... Kasi apparently,
Article 1, Section 1, Article 17. Yun ang laman. So, ganun pala kayo ka-deceptive ng mga tao. You deceive the public. At suportahan ninyo ang PI para ganito, ganun. Tapos, ang laman ng pinapapirma ninyo, i-diminish ang power ng Senado.
December I met the speaker and we also
Sandali
met
ho, bakit
separately.
napasok
Bakit si speaker na bigla? Akala ko hindi siya kasali. Po, bakit si speaker na?
Nahuli
November.
ka sa sarili mong bibig, ha?
Attorney Abad,
Nahuli ka.
November.
Attorney Garbin.
okay. Madam Chair, did we invite Attorney Garbin for this hearing? Si Attorney Garbin, because apparently parang...
Yes, Attorney Garbin was invited. He actually attended the first hearing.
Because parang lumalabas siya pala yung nag-craft netong tanong.
Well, he drafted it. Siya rin ba nagpa-imprenta? Kasi ang sabi niya noon, talagang tumulong lang siya at saka nag-distribute. Wala siyang sinasabi kung sino nag-imprenta. Di daw niya alam. Pagkaalam ko, wala siyang sinasabi doon kasi hindi niya alam. Sino nakakaalam sa pag-imprenta nito? Nalilito ako.
Attorney read to us on the operations po. I'm for sure when he appears, he will answer all the questions. Kasama ho sila sa grupo ni na Attorney Garbin po.
So, kailan ho kayo, Mr. Oñate, kailan niyo ho nakilala si Congressman Garbin?
Your Honor, I mentioned during the last hearing when Mr. Oñate engaged our firm to proceed with this project of a People's Initiative. I mentioned this also at that time with Attorney Garbin, who also happens to be our client.
Wait, so,
and he told us,
sandali nga, kailan nga ho yung ang tinatanong
that was
ko ho?
December po,
So,
December.
kumbaga parang December lang kayo nagsama-sama.
Yes, and they worked fast. Sila po yung nauna. In fact, the signature sheets of Attorney Abad, sila po yung nauna, humabol lang din po yung signature sheets ng pirma.
Tama po ba yun, Attorney Abad? Nauna yung grupo nyo, tapos sumunod lang si pirma?
No. They were already involved.
Kasasabi lang niya eh.
Mag-usap-usap na kayong tatlo,
Pwede ba
apat dyan?
magkasundo muna kayo
Mag-usap-usap
sa
na kayo
dates?
para...
Kasi linilito na ninyo kami.
Yung signature sheets, nauna ako, yung pangalan ko.
Siguro, balikan lang ho natin yung unang pagtatagpo nyo. Di ba?
Pang Valentine's Day.
Pang Valentine's Day, kasi parang meron kayong love affair dalawa. Kailan ho kayong unang nagkakilala?
Sa November.
So, November pa, so hindi December.
Hindi December. December, I met the speaker. And we also
Sandali
met
ho, bakit
separately.
napasok
Bakit si speaker na bigla? Akala ko hindi siya kasali. Po, bakit si speaker na?
Nahuli
November.
ka sa sarili mong bibig, ha?
Attorney Abad,
Nahuli ka.
November, nagkakilala kayo ni Attorney Garbin.
And Mr. Oñate.
Okay, so
And?
nung meeting nyo nung November,
And
sino-sino
Oñate.
yung mga players? Sino yung mga na-meet nyo? Si Attorney Garbin, si Mr. Oñate,
Itong si Argel Kabatbat. ng magsasaka.
Argel Kabatbat,
Yun yung farmers group. Diba?
Yes, farmer. Magsasaka.
Yung magsasaka.
and
Ex-Kong din.
And Ed Gulye of CORE. Yung
CORE,
Constitutional Reform Movement.
Yep.
ilang hong apat.
It's the
Teka.
initial group.
Tapos, nung December, bakit kasama na si speaker maliban sa apat?
If I had met the speaker,
Apa.
we did have a meeting because they went to see him,
Oo.
and it was like sort of a courtesy call. And then after that we went and met about this signature campaign.
Kasi dati sinabi ni Mr. Oñate, hindi naman kasali si speakers. Tsaka na lang, nung nagpapasaklolo na sila, kasi mahirap nga umikot at papirmahan yung mga form.
It's the time that they went to...
Kasama
in
kayo?
December. Yes.
Nung nagtagpo kayo, nandun na yung mga papel?
Hindi pa. Not yet. I didn't see them.
Ay, wala pa nung December.
Oh, wala.
So wala talaga na tayong alam, bigla na lang sumulpot yung mga papel. Yung mga form, ganun ba yun? Nandun yung pangalan mo, hindi mo in-approve yung draft.
In-approve ko yung draft, but I didn't see the printing of the...
And Madam Chair, wala ba kayong security measures na ginawa dun sa pinapipirmahan nyo na alam nyo, para malaman nyo na talagang galing sa inyo yung forms na pinapaikot dun sa baba? Wala ko kayong ganong ginawang hakbang
Parang security, yung parang sa... like with money.
na parang may authentication na form 001, 002, tapos may signature yun na, I mean, to say na parang authentic talaga yung bibigay nyo sa COMELEC. Kasi pwede ako magpa-photocopy ngayon, neto, di ba? At mag-submit sa COMELEC. And paano
Sige.
nyo paano madedenay ng grupo nyo na, ay, yung papel na yan, hindi sa amin yan. Or yung pinapaikot na may sinasabing ayuda or ganyan. Hindi yun yung official na forms ng grupo nyo.
Teka.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Senator Bato, please.
kung basihan natin yung mga timeline, no? I am slowly getting the impression na parang lumalabas na hindi itong pirma ang pumunta sa House leadership para magpatulong sa PI. Parang lumalabas, it's the other way around. Yung House leadership ay nagpapatulong dito sa pirma para mapapatakbo itong PI. Parang ganun lumalabas dahil na hindi pa kayo organize 2 weeks ago. Hindi pa kumpleto yung inyong organization. So, forgive me if I'm wrong. Pero that's my impression developing in my mind. Na parang it's the other way around. Hindi ang pirma ang pumunta doon sa House leadership para magpatulong, kundi the other way around. Kasi parang nauna ang prepared na lahat, printado lahat itong mga papel. Kayo, hindi pa kayo naka-organize sa mga tao. Tapos, pang! Yun na. Perma na. Kuha na kagad ang perma. Tapos, saka kayo come into the picture. My impression only, Madam Chair. Based on their statements. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Siguro, Madam Chair, sinong common friend na nag-introduce sa inyo?
Si Congressman Rufus Rodriguez.
I see.
Which is an incumbent congressman.
That's correct.
He's the chair of the Committee on
Of the constitutional amendments, that's correct.
So, ano instruction niya? Meet up with Mr. Oñate to talk about People's Initiative?
He asked me, he said that they needed somebody who has been studying or conducting research on constitutional reform, like comparison with other constitutional structures in other countries, and how to make the Philippines globally competitive. So it's basically my ongoing thesis or dissertation. And he said that there's a group I'd like you to help.
Kailan yun?
This was in November.
November. Ito yung November meeting with Attorney Garbin.
Yes,
I see.
and the petitioners. So the expectation of me was to be a resource person and technical advisor when the whole question of constitutional amendments and constitutional reform comes up. Then I provide studies on the best design for constitutions that would make us more globally competitive.
So, ang topic then was not about People's Initiative. It was not about the question dito sa form na to. Parang
My
yung
interest, Madam,
participation was not about this, right?
yeah, Madam Senator, it's just that is my advocacy, and I would like to see it pushed in a most inclusive way. In other words, I'm realizing that this PI might be problematic the way it's unfolding, but still I would strongly push for constitutional reform, and best if it were a multi-sectoral, multi-partisan, and multi-regional approach, a consultative effort of the country towards a new constitution, or at least just to adjust the constitution so that we could become more globally competitive, to eradicate poverty, and to have more citizen participation.
Kaya nga, if I may,
Yes,
Senator Nancy, kaya nga, kung kayo ang nasa likuran nito, prangkahin ko lang kayo, wrong move lang kayo dito sa ginawa ninyong quiz, itong ginawa ninyong voting. Kinapon nyo kagad kami. Hindi, gusto pala ninyo na multi-regional, multi-sectoral, yung palang gusto mo. Napakaganda ng gusto mo. Pero yung pamamaraan ay mali. Isipin mo na humampas kagad kayo sa isang malaking roadblock ang Senado dahil from the very start, kinapunan ninyo kami. Tinanggalan nyo kami ng boses. Isipin mo, voting jointly, how can we voice out the 24 of us against 316 of them? So mali yung start ninyo, kaya kayo nagka-problema. Pero kung inayos ninyo yan, ako mismo, I will support. Nagsasabi na ako, noon pa, nag-file nga ako ng economic chacha reform sa noon pa, resolution. You might be getting the support of the Senate kung hindi ninyo kaagad, from the very start pa lang, iba ng intensyon ninyo kinakapunan nyo kaagad kami. Kaya kami nag-react ng gusto. At nabulabog tuloy yung PI ninyo. Di ba?
Personally, Madam Chair, on my behalf, and Senator De La Rosa, I apologize the way things have turned out. But my bottom line is really, I just want constitutional reform to happen. And if it can be...
In any which way?
Well, in fact, it would be great if the Senate, as the sort of the wise men and women of the nation, are the ones taking the lead in really doing a comprehensive review of the Constitution. That would be great.
Yes, but we should allow for the people to debate and discuss and be made fully aware of the difference between unicameral and bicameral. I'm not here to defend the Senate, even if I do so, but certainly such a large change cannot be sneaked through this way. Anyway, I would just
Madam
like,
Chair.
yes.
Hindi naman kami talaga mga wise. Mas wise kayo. Dahil nga, kinakapunan nyo kaagad kami from the very start, mas wiser kayo kaysa amin. Mas wise kayo. Thank you.
Eto, pipilitin ko lang, si Mr. Oñate ang laging nagbabayad sa lahat. Baka may alam naman kayo sa printing. Baka kayo na naman ang nag-abono ng printing. At saka napakarami nito, milyon-milyon ang ginastos. Massive resources were required, 1,500 to 4,000 for the collectors of the signatures. May alam po ba kayo sa printing? Or saan nanggaling yung mga form na sangkatutak?
I had no hand in the printing of the signature forms, Madam Chair.
I see. Okay, so we will have to await with bated breath Attorney Red Tuason in that case. Attorney Abad, to go back to you, were you at least aware that the signature sheets with your name and only your name were printed and distributed nationwide?
Yes, I was aware, Madam Chair.
So that, in fact, seeing how divisive and problematic this PI has become, do you withdraw your name from the form, or would you like to, if given the opportunity at this juncture?
No, Madam Chair. I will stick with this. I will stick with the petition. However, I would...
And you uphold, you still are determined to defend its legality and constitutionality?
Well, as far as it can go. But like I said, if the Senate, the House, and the people, different organizations can come together on a consultative basis to review the Constitution, I'll be happy to shift and to work in that capacity.
Certainly,
Madam
you know,
Chair?
it's called the People's Initiative. It really shouldn't be coming from the House or the Senate, for that matter. Sorry. Yes, Senator Ronald Bato.
Thank you, Madam Chair. So, you are going to withdraw your name despite the fact na posibleng mangyari na yung mga tao na binigyan ng card na magkiklaim ng 3,000, sabihin ng mga nag-re-recruit sa kanila, nagpapirma na wala na kami dyan. punta na lang kayo kay Atty. Abad kasi siya man nandiyan pangalan, no? Doon mo singilin kay Atty. Abad yung 3,000 na pinapromise namin na yung card ninyo. Hanapin niyo si Atty. Abad. So you're willing to face those people?
Well, my understanding is that there is no, it should not be linked to this amount. So I will tell them that.
Kaya nga, I'm just giving the situation. The real, ikaw kasi, puro kuhan yung ideal situation yung iniisip mo eh. The situation obtaining on the ground. Itong mga tao ngayon, hinahanap na yung saan nila i-claim yung card na pinapromise sa kanila. So, sabihin na, si Atty. Abad man ang nasa pangalan dito. Hanapin natin si Atty. Abad, singilin natin dito, i-claim natin itong card na ito. So, anong sabihin mo doon sa mga tao?
Sorry.
Ha?
Sorry.
Oh, thank you. Thank you at magsusorry
Nako,
ka.
Attorney Abad, maraming nagreklamo na linoko sila, pero yung pangalan mo nandun. Hindi ba bawal yon bilang abogado? May ethics, marami tayong sinusumpaan na hindi po pwede yon, taking advantage of clients, of all these signatories who were not fully aware of what they were signing. In fact, were misled. And in many cases, tinakpan pa yung pipirmahan nila para lang makakuha ng ayuda. Di ba bawal po yun bilang abogado?
Well, I should not be, as a lawyer, should not be involved in anything that is illegal or improper. I understand that.
Kaya nga, pero ang pangalan mo nandoon, at least, if hindi ka naman legally maiipid dyan, pero konsensya mo lang rin. Ang daming taong naisahan niya, nailad, naloko. So, dapat makonsensya ka rin, pangalan mong nandoon sa papel eh. Tapos sila ngayon, nag-expect ng ayuda coming from those people na nagpapapirma. Ikaw nandoon sa papel eh. Dapat makonsensya rin kayo.
Opo.
Di ba?
Attorney Abad, the evidence of fraud and deception of the signatories is overwhelming. Do you still insist that this was the right thing to do? And that you still abide by the ethics that you swore to as a lawyer?
Yes, ma'am. Because-
Ginamit ang pangalan mo para lokohin ang tao. Nagmudmud ng pera, ng suhol, ng linlang, ng mamayang Pilipino. Payag kayo ron.
No, of course, I don't want that to happen, madam.
Nangyari eh. Ang pangalan mo lang nakatakda ron. Wala naman ibang pangalan. Ikaw lang naman ang sisisihin ng lahat. Payag kayong ganon. Alam ninyo from the beginning na magkakaganon.
Yes, I was aware of the risks.
Were aware na magbibigayan ng pera?
No, ma'am.
So
My
what-
understanding
So
is
ano
that
yung
was not
risk that
supposed-
you were talking about?
Well, I knew that, well, with my name there, and well, it should have been the names of all the petitioners, that I had to stand by it. No? And well, if there's some problems that come up because of it, I will address that.
Yes, supposing you filed a petition for People's Initiative, you would have represented PIRMA or yourself, or Change Philippines, or any of these organizations.
I would
Is
be
it
there.
your personal capacity? Kasi yung pangalan mo lang naman doon, wala namang PIRMA. Yung petition will be representing yourself personally? Ganun ba yun?
I will be there in my personal capacity, petitioner, as as well as the other petitioners.
So, hindi na yung PIRMA.
No, I'm not there as their counsel. I'm there to assist them.
Okay, paano yung mga tao na linoko at gusto ngayon i-withdraw yung kanilang mga signature, hindi naman na pumapayag yung COMELEC at wala namang patakaran, these are the people that you will file a petition for as well? You will be their lawyer, correct?
If they... Are you saying if
It's
they
in the
withdraw?
form.
Hmm.
It's what you have. Andito po eh. Andito dito. Di ba? We hereby authorize Attorney Anthony Abad to cause the filing of the petition, perform any and all acts necessary in furtherance thereof. Sagot mo lahat.
Yes, ma'am.
Pati yung fraud, pati yung panliling lang, pambobola, yung suhol, yung pera ng gobyernong ginamit. Kaya mo lahat yun.
Ma'am, I did not join this to engage in fraud or any improper behavior.
Kaya nga, nangyari na nga eh.
nangyari na
Tinatanong ka namin kung pananagutan mo ba yan. Nangyari na nga eh. Ang daming nag-testify na gano'n ang nangyari sa field. So pananagutan mo yan.
I'll address it.
Ha? You will face them?
Hmm.
Ha?
Yes.
And just say sorry to them?
Well,
Madam Chair,
Yes, Senator Risa po.
about that point just raised by Sendroy De La Rosa, I mean, sorry na lang ba? Sorry na lang ba? Ang dami-dami na po, just this manifestation, Madam Chair, before I move to another hearing, but after 3 hearings of our committee, na napakalabo nung isang tanong, bakit? Ang dami na pong advocates, pero wala ni isa sa kanila nakasagot ng tanong, ano yung purpose ng proposal to vote jointly? No? So, sorry na lang ba, Madam Chair?
Yes, I'd like to recognize Senator Bongo, who's been very patiently.
If I may lang po, Attorney Abad, saan pwedeng i-claim nung mga may mga stub na ayuda? Kasi dun sa Mindanao, tinakpan daw nito, tapos may kapalit na coupon, may kapalit na ayuda. Saan mo ba pwedeng i-claim nila? Pwede bang i-claim sa inyo po? Kasi pangalan mo nakalagay dito, Attorney Abad.
yes, I understand, Senator.
Yung sinasabing ayuda o pera kapalit sa pirma na tinakpan, may coupon. Ang problema, hindi nila alam kung saan nila i-claim to. Pwede mo bang sagutin yung taong bayan kung pwede nilang i-claim sa inyo?
I'm not in a position to address those
Hindi,
claims.
ang pangalan kasi, pangalan mo Attorney Anthony A. Abad. So, yung ibang tao, yung mga kababayan nating mahirap, pinagsasamantalahan po. Ang tanong dyan, saan nga nila kukunin? Kung nag-expect sila ng kapalit, pwede ba nilang i-claim sa'yo? Kasi pangalan mo nga nandito.
Opo, pero I am a petitioner. I'm awaiting the prospering of the petition. I'm not part of the operation or the administrative part of.
So, are you aware na meron ng kapalit na ayuda to?
No, I'm not aware
Paano yan kung ikaw ang hanapin? Anong sabihin mo?
that I'm not aware.
Maraming umaasa dito, Attorney Abad. Oo, hinahanap ka ron.
Nahanap ko sa Davao, sikat-kat pati sa Bukidnon.
Pagdating mo sa airport doon, maraming magsisingil sa'yo. Gurado yan. Gurado yan.
Just to give you advance info yung card, claim stub na merong building ang nakalagay, District 1 yun ng Davao. Mga residente. Yung card na ang nakikitang picture doon ay Bundok, District 2 yun ng Davao. Yung card na ang picture nakalagay Aguila, District 3 yun ng Davao. Bigyan lang kita ng information. Gaano kadami yung tao magki-claim sa iyo niyan kapag
We're just flashing on screen all the affidavits, the signature forms, all containing Attorney Abad's name that were provided us throughout the country. Napakarami niyan eh. Anong sasabihin natin sa kanila? Sorry na lang ng sorry. Pwede ba yun?
Madam Chair, although my name appears by itself, actually I'm part of of a group, no? And I would also defer to the other petitioners because they are the ones who are administering, no, organizing the signature campaign.
yung nga, Madam Chair, ordinaryong tao, Walang ibang hanapin, ikaw talaga.
Tama.
Hahanapin ka talaga itong mga tao na ito, singilin ka na doon sa card nila. Dahil sa ngayon, as we speak, hindi pa na-withdraw yung kanilang perma. So, siguro, incumbent on your part din siguro, kausapin mo yung Comelec, bilisan ninyong ibalik yung perma nila dahil ako ang sisingilin ng pera ng mga tao niyan na pumirma. Siguro, kausapin mo yung Comelec, bilisan nyo, Chairman, ibalik yung yung perma nila dahil ikaw talaga sisingilin ng mga tao na yan.
Madam Chair, parang mas mahirap yata mag-withdraw kaysa magpapirma.
Ang layo. Hindi.
Okay na, may assurance naman si Comelec Chairman, Madam Chair, di ba, kanina, nabilisan niya yung pagbigay ng instructions. Thank you, that's a very commendable move coming from the Chairman of the Comelec. Thank you, sir.
Is it normal practice for people to authorize unnamed persons to file a lawsuit on their behalf? Kasi ikaw lang nakasalang, di ba? Eh yung et al, hindi naman natin kilala. Is it fair to those people who signed the signature sheets to authorize et al, assuming you had no knowledge? Eh paano naman yung et al? Normal ba yun? Parang hindi pa ako nakakakita ng ganun eh. Di mo kilala.
Madam Chair, would
Di
this
mo
be,
alam sinong
would this
pinirmahan
be
mo.
acceptable sa Comelec na et al?
Because, Madam Chair, hindi naman po na-file pa sa amin officially yan. At sabi ko nga po, until today,
We're speaking hypothetically, wala pa naman petition.
Kunyari.
lang.
dapat po i-enumerate nila yung mga et al nila.
Eh kasi
kung
nga,
sakasakali.
nakasalang lang si Attorney Abad. Sabi ni Attorney Abad, wala siyang alam at ang masasabi lang niya, sorry. Ganon. Eh, paano yung et al? Eh, wala nang matatakbuhan itong mga pobreng tao na pangakuan, na bola. Ayan, at nagka-trouble-trouble.
Actually, Attorney Abad, I would assume nakita mo tong form. Hindi mo ba sinabi kay Attorney Garbin, kay Congressman Garbin, na bakit ako lang ang nakalagay dito? Bakit hindi niya sinabi? Di sana sa billing, mas siya. Total, dahil siya yung nakaisip nung tanong, di ba, na why you?
Yeah. Actually, Senator, I did question. I would have preferred that all the names were there, but they printed without the others, no, et al. It became et al. To shorten it.
But why not Congressman Garbin? Why
Oo
you?
nga eh.
Alphabetical.
Hindi, pero maikli lang naman listahan mo eh. Etong ex-congressman ng magsasaka, ayan. Tapos si Ed Gule ng CORE, ayan. Konti lang naman kayo, si ex-Justice Veloso. Iilan lang kayo, ba't hindi na lamang linista?
I know that if there will be a petition, all the names have to be spelled out, no? And I am not sure if any additional forms will have already the names.
So at
But-
this point, pwede na rin miski sino magsabi na member siya ng pirma? Kahit hindi ninyo kilala, yung change, ano ba yun? Yung change, yung nandun sa Davao. Can pirma question him? Can Mr. Oñate ask him? What about you, since the signatories are the ones that will give the authority? Is it therefore that they're also the only ones who can determine who a certain person is authorized to bring the suit, di ba? Isn't that correct? Dahil yung et al, wala namang maliwanag dun. Miski sino pwedeng maging et al. Tama po yun. Miski sino pwede maging et al. Wala naman nakalista eh. So anybody who claims to be part of et al. Can also file the petition. Is that correct? Pag sinabi ko et al., hindi naman buo yung pirma, hindi naman kayo magkakakilala, o di miski sino pwede mag-et al. Miski sino pwede mag-withdraw ng pangalan. Maski sino can cause the whole thing to be dismissed. Tama ba yun? Hilong-hilo na ako sa inyo. Eto ba talaga ang patakaran ngayon?
Madam Chair?
Yes,
Hindi.
Senator
Umalis kasi ako
Binay.
kanina, so I don't know kung nasagot na ni Attorney Abad. Kung kailan na-finalize ito na yung magiging form, and meron ho ba kayong pinirmahan, Attorney Abad, na parang signing na you're agreeing to this form? When was this finalized?
In December.
Ano ba? Timeline ng December? Late December? Or
Would have been just before Christmas.
Yeah.
And sino
Correct.
yung naging parang decision-making body na nag-agree na ito na talaga yung gagamitin natin?
Well, it was Attorney Garbin who came up with it. I did not sign.
So Attorney Garbin was in the meeting. Who
Yes.
else?
Noel
Okay.
and I think Ed Gulle was there already, and Argel Kabatbat.
Kayong apat, kayong lima lang yung nandun sa meeting. Wala pa sila Attorney Avisado.
Kasama. I think they've been counsel of Noel and Pirma from before.
So kayong anim lang.
Well, the law firm. No?
Madam Chair, if I may volunteer the information, hindi lang
Yes.
po yan puro Attorney Abad. There are also forms na nandun yung pangalan ni Attorney Garbin for
Wala pa
Bicol,
kasi kami nakikitang ganun.
Attorney Kabatbat for sa North. So
Wala rin
that's
kami
what we
nakitang
gathered.
ganun.
Opo. And hopefully ito po sa operations ho yan once mag-testify na po yung ating operations.
Maybe you can help us, Attorney Avisado. Normal na patakaran yung et al. Tapos authorized to file a petition on their behalf. Tama po ba yun?
With all honesty, Madam Chair, ang intindi ko ho kasi dyan, that is the first wave. Yung second wave ng forms, may mga pangalan na po yun, Attorney Garbin, sina Attorney Veloso, and Attorney Kabatbat. So,
would you kindly
different
give us
stages lang po
copies
yun.
of those forms? Because the only form that we have seen circulated only contain Abad et al. Which is
Madam
very,
Chair.
very curious. Attorney,
Yes, ma'am, we will
Senator
compare.
De La Rosa, please.
Can we ask the COMELEC to provide us copies, kahit na pictures lang nung sinabmit sa kanilang mga election officers, yung containing the names of those sinabi ni Attorney Abad na may ibang mga pangalan, Garbin, sino pa yung iba? Kung meron, pwedeng submit to this committee?
Madam Chair, Your Honors, patanong po namin sa lahat ng local COMELEC namin kung sino yung may naka-receive ng form na may enumeration ng names at hindi yung Abad et al. Lang po. Papatanong
Yes.
po namin because with all due respect, 8,174,000, 10 po ang isang page po 10 signatures. So papahanap po namin kung sino yung local COMELEC.
Chairman Garcia, ang binanggit Ilocos at saka Bicol. Baka doon na muna tayo mag-umpisa.
Yes, Madam Chair, we will instruct our election officers in Bicol and Ilocos to provide us copies po nung signed copies ng mga forms, and then titingnan po namin kung yung mga names ay enumerated.
Sa COMELEC ba, naintindihan ninyo yung et al? Maski sino pwede mag-et al kasi malabo nga yung organisasyon ng pirma, kabubuo pa lamang.
Well, Madam Chair,
Tatanggapin ninyo miski sinong petitioner dito?
no, Madam Chair, definitely, because that will be part, supposedly, of the determination in form and substance.
Ayun na nga,
kung-
so yung et al, form and substance po ba yun?
that will not be compliant, Madam Chair.
Thank you. I was just wondering, Attorney Abad, you're still upholding this form despite its clearly defective and misleading proposition.
Well, I'm hoping that the next wave of forms will have my colleagues
Madam Chair.
on the list.
Madam Chair.
Yes,
Kasi Attorney Abad, apparently itong PI na to is just the first step towards charter change, right? Ano talaga yung end goal nyo? Anong papalitan nyo? Was it, what, term limits ba was part of that?
Well, I don't have a specific or structure already in mind. Of course, definitely, economic provisions have to be dealt with. Not just because we want an open economy. Actually, it's more because the CONCOM should not have legislated what Congress could legislate. Meaning, you can be protectionist,
Hindi,
but
bakit hindi na lang yun yung nilagay nyo dun sa initiative nyo? Kung economic provisions talaga. Kung yun yung, kumbaga, goal nyong palitan.
But hindi na lang dinerecho sa economic provisions, di ba?
well, you can back me up or know this, but when it was discussed with me, they wanted to operationalize
Who
the
was
constituent
they?
assembly. Mr. Oñate, the other petitioners. No?
Pero akala ko kayo ni Attorney Garbin, na mga abogado, kayo ang nag-draft. Bakit si Mr. Oñate tinuturo
Yeah,
ninyo ngayon?
pero di ba ikaw yung mas may alam pagdating dun sa Constitution? In fact, you were saying na was your advocacy. So why this provision, di ba? Why not go through the economic provisions? Diniretso na.
They want
Kasi yung unang-una, yung ad na pinalabas nyo, yung EDSA Puera, very misleading kasi hindi naman yun yung tanong nung PI eh. 'Di ba? Wala naman ditong education, walang dun sa commercial nyo. So, kumbaga may disconnect na dun sa ginagawa niyong communication, dun sa actual na pinapipirma.
Madam Nancy, Senadora Nancy, my understanding is the reason why it's only voting jointly is because in a people's initiative, we can only propose one item. So the reason why they zeroed in, it was explained to me, I'm not a lawyer, okay? It was explained to me.
Who explained to you? Who explained to you?
Jointing
Sir Noel-
voting jointly means
Hindi nga, sino ho nagpaliwanag sa inyo?
that the Senate and the House will be combined in a constituent assembly. And then
Yeah,
the
sir-
senators
sir-
and the congressmen will no longer be senators and congressmen, they will be constituent assemblymen.
Yeah. Sino ho nagturo sa inyo niyan? Si Attorney Abad ho ba ang nagpaliwanag sa inyo na ganyan?
No, some of the other proponents of
Like
People's
who?
Initiative.
Like who
And
po?
then this
Sino po?
constituent-
Sino po?
Constituent assembly.
Hindi.
You are not answering the
You're not-
question, Mr. Oñate.
Sino ho
Please
nag-
listen to the question of Senator Senator Binay.
Hindi ko naman ho
Ha?
tinatanong yung...
Yeah, tinatanong ka kung sino. Please answer.
I know her. Okay, yes.
Hindi nga.
Tinatanong ka lang ho kung sino ho yung Kasi apparently, hindi nyo alam na parang kailangan may magpaliwanag sa inyo kung bakit ito yung proposal. So, sino ho yung nag-convince sa inyo para ito yung itanong? Was it Attorney Garbin? Was it Attorney Abad? Was it
Yeah, my
Attorney
lawyers.
Avisado?
My lawyers.
Madam Chair, my understanding was when this was discussed,
Who discussed it?
the group, we are only allowed to propose amendments on one subject. And there is a sentiment which was expressed during the last hearing that the door to charter change has always been closed from the House to the Senate. Sarado ho yung pintuan. And the best way is to propose
sure?
amendment
Are
on
you
the...
sure?
Yan po yung
Are you
testimony, not personally, Mr. Senator, yan ho yung testimony ni Attorney Garbin, who was
So
the former...
from the very
former-
beginning, there was really an intention to castrate the Senate. Yun talaga gusto ninyo kasi jointly kagad ang pinasok
Wait,
ninyo
so
eh.
si Attorney
No, Your
Garbin
Honor.
ho nag-isip, si Congressman Garbin.
The group ho, kasi Attorney Garbin happened to be the former chairman of constitutional reforms in Congress. So, and also in the interviews of former Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, yun din po yung sentiment. That's why it was a consensus of that group that to propose amendments through people's initiative, since one subject lang naman kami, itong voting requirement na. It may be very unpopular and very antagonistic on the Senate. Pasensya na po talaga ho kayo. But that is the campaign of the group on People's Initiative. Thank you po.
And hindi ho kayo nagsalita na Attorney Abad na, I mean, dun sa group wala man lang nagsabi na, wait lang ha, baka magkaroon ng resistance kasi nilulusaw natin yung, dinidiminish natin yung power ng Senate. Kasi hindi lang voting jointly, pati yung provision na dapat Speaker and Senate President yung pwedeng mag-call. Ginawa yung Speaker or Senate President. So talagang there was that intent to diminish the power of the Senate, which runs against the spirit of the Constitution na kailangan bicameral yung setup ng House tsaka ng Senado.
I had no hand in the drafting of the signature form.
But you agreed to it. Tama po ba? You agreed to this provision. Tama po ba?
Yes,
Naniniwala kayo na...
voting jointly, because there will be a constituent assembly composed of congressmen and senators, and they will be the ones that will discuss all of the possible changes, economic, and so on. And I
Hindi
believe
po
that...
ba may interview kayo? You had an interview where you stated that deliberately you included jointly in order to diminish the
No, the
potentially
interviewer asked me,
antagonistic votes of the Senate.
interviewer asked me, so madadilute ang Senate dyan. So I said,
Oo.
yes, nadadilute. But I believe that congressmen and senators, they are highly educated, they are
Ang tanong
bright
ko lang ho,
people.
bakit wala ho kayong-
They are not robots.
Actually,
they,
Mr.
they, they are
Parang
not robots.
sinabi po
And
ninyo
then
na
they will
nasa
discuss, and
Jayo.
debate, and argue.
Hindi, ang tanong ko lang din ho, bakit wala kayong kinausap sa Senado? I've heard names from Congress, but I've never heard na may kinausap kayong former senator
Daming
or incumbent
pro-chacha rito.
senator.
Ang daming pro-economic provisions. Hindi rin tutol ang karamihan sa PI kasi nasa saligang batas. Bakit nga kami hindi kinausap?
No, bakit hindi niyo ho kami kinausap?
Well, without hanging in the air, I'd like to excuse Attorney Chel Diokno. I think he's busy. If there's anything you'd like to add to this very difficult discussion po.
None anymore. Thank you so much, Madam Chair and all Your Honors.
Yes, maraming salamat. Who's raising his hand? Yes,
Madam Chair?
Sanlakas po.
Madam Chair, before we go
yes,
dun sa, can we just get an answer why the Senate was not consulted? Or why
balikan
senators were not
natin.
consulted, considering na malaking epekto itong ginawa nilang provision? Siguro Attorney Abad or or Mr. Oñate. Bakit hindi ho?
What's the question again, Madam Senadora?
Hindi kasi parang, di ba ho, nag-meeting kayo with the speaker. How come there was no effort to meet with the Senate President?
I was told that Congress already filed more than 300 resolutions regarding charter change, but all those 300 resolutions were ignored by the Senate.
And just
Yun
because,
lang sabi sa akin.
sino ho nagsabi sa inyo?
Yung mga kasamahan namin,
Like who?
Congressman Garbin, Congressman, and then my lawyers, Congressman Rufus Rodriguez.
Yung mga nilapitan nyo,
Kaya gagawin daw jointly na dahil hindi binabasura lang ng Senado lahat ng mga resolution about charter change. 300 plus na daw.
tapos naniwala ho,
Hindi ko alam.
tapos naniwala ho kayo sa kanila. I mean, you didn't even bother, di ba? Malay nyo, itong present setup ng Senado, mas open sa usapin ng charter change. Was there an effort or no effort at all?
I just believed what they told me.
Very clear naman, Madam Chair, Senator Nancy, na gusto talaga nila tayong i-blind. The mere fact na inupakan nila yung PI na yan during our break, talagang may masamang intensyon. Very clear. Very clear.
So kung nagsucceed to, what was the next step? What provisions were you supposed to change in the Constitution? Or ang end goal is talagang palitan na yung Constitution?
What I understood was this one body now, wherein everybody will now be called constituent assemblymen, will be the one that will debate and will be the one that will discourse, will be the one...
Pero Mr.
that
Oñate,
will-
kailangan may end goal ho kayo eh. Ano yung end goal? Ano yung provisions na gusto nyong palitan sa Constitution? Or totally gusto nyo nang palitan yung Constitution?
That will be
What-
decided by the constituent assembly.
I mean, parang pinapaubayan nyo na din sa Constitution.
Yeah, well, me personally, yes. Because
Why?
I believe that congressmen and senators are bright people. They studied in Harvard, Yale. They graduated in Ateneo, LaSalle, UP.
So technically, hindi nyo
Very
pa ho,
clear.
hindi nyo pa ho alam kung anong gusto nyong palitan sa
They are
Constitution.
not puppets. They are not robots. So I think
So,
that they
very
are
clear, Mr.
capable.
Oñate, na ang purpose mo lang kaya ka sumama dito sa PI is to castrate the Senate. Wala ka palang habol doon sa kung anong magiging kalalabasan na mga amendments sa Constitution. Gusto mo lang talagang kami
Senator De La
i-castrate.
Rosa is it's gonna be a constituent assembly.
Di
Kaya
ba?
nga, kasi doon ka lang nakapokus eh. Nakapokus ka lang doon sa itong section na ito eh. Na gusto mong voting jointly. And then afterwards, gusto mo, bahala na sila. So wala ka palang...
I don't know what's gonna happen there, but all of you will be constituent assemblymen, and it will be you yourself
So yung grupo nyo,
that will discuss everything.
hindi alam kung ano yung papalitan sa kung ano yung details na papalitan dun sa Constitution.
Yeah, because in
Basta ang importante lang ho,
ultimate analysis, it will be the
Basta ang
constituent
importante lang
assembly
ho,
that will
maalis
decide
yung,
everything.
ma-diminish yung power of the Senate.
Madam
Senator.
Chair, Madam Chair, Senator Binay, if I may just add, in our TV advertisement, nakalagay ho doon yung mga areas
Yeah,
of concern.
pero that is
Yun
the-
po yung
yung ad
poverty,
nyo,
yun po yung
But
education,
your ad
foreign
does not
investments.
have any connection with the question. I'm sorry, walang kakonect
Yes
yung...
po, yes po. You are correct. Because kung hindi
wag na
mabuksan
natin-
yung pintuan, useless po lahat yung ipupush
Yeah,
namin
pero
na
you created
na
the
advertisement.
impression na yun yung papalitan. Yun yung PI nyo. When it's not. It's not the... Wala dito nakasulat about education. Technically, pag natuloy ito, pwede na tayong parliamentary system of government, di ba? Anything can happen.
Madam
Tama?
Chair, okay, ganito po yan. Ang pagkakapaliwanag sa amin ng aming creative consultant, si Mr. Greg Garcia, any campaign, ang unang-unang move is to catch public attention. Yun ho yung purpose. And with all humility,
your campaign
na kapag...
should, wait, I'm sorry yung kampanya nyo should educate the people about your
Yes po,
initiative.
yes po. Yun
And
ho yung
that
second
is-
stage namin. Meron ho kami, inabutan na lang ho nito
Eh di
lahat.
sana gumawa
But
kayo
in
ng
fact,
ad. Gumawa kayo ng ad na sinasabi talaga na ito yung
meron
yung
ho kaming
Senado.
nakasunod. Marami po sunod-sunod dapat po yun na Madam Senator. In fact, Mr. Oñate, ang kanyang focus...
Yeah, pero sinasabi nga ni Atty. Oñate, bahala na yung Constitutional Assembly kung ano yung papalitan dun sa Constitution.
Yeah, Senator Nancy, if
diba?
I may.
Yes,
If
go
I
ahead.
may. Alam mo, attorney, sabi mo, you want to get public attention through deception? Yung ba ibig mong sabihin?
Hindi po,
Kasi,
sir.
oh,
Never our intention.
Yeah, very clear. Yung laman ng inyong ad is puro mga Edsapuera, ganon-ganon. Pero ang laman ng inyong PI, Section 17, Article 1, Section 1, Article 17, yun ang laman. So, ganun pala kayo ka-deceptive ng mga tao. You deceive the public. At suportahan ninyo ang PI para ganito, ganon. Tapos, ang laman ng pinapapirma ninyo, i-diminish ang power ng Senado. How deceptive can you be with this kind of approach?
We understand. We apologize. We understand your frustration, Senator De La Rosa. Dapat that was not our intention. Meron ho kaming second stage, yung public information campaign. Meron pa rin ho sana kaming ilalabas na mga ads
Pero
na
how much
prepare
was
na
that?
po.
Pero yung una, panlilin lang. Di ba dami natin, 2023 Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability. Di ba? Lahat kayo, abogado. Section 12, Canon 2, lawyers must inform their clients of dishonest, deceitful, misleading conduct. Ayan. Puros ganyan yan. Section 22, Canon 2, do not take advantage of a non-lawyer's lack of education or knowledge of the law. Nambobola kayo eh. Kitang-kita yung TV ad. Nakita mismo itong form na walang katuturan. Linilin lang, sinusuhulan yung tao. Nasa Code of Conduct ba yan ng matinong abogado?
Wala po, Madam Chair. That was not our intention. We know na i-invalidate ng COMELEC ang mga signatures if tainted with irregularity or anomaly yung pagsulisit ng
Eh,
signatures.
ngayon,
Ayaw po
ngayon-
namin masayang ang lahat ng
Attorney
pinaghirapan.
Abisado, ang liwaliwanag, limpak-limpak yung affidavit, bibigay ko sa iyo. Anong masasabi mo ngayon?
That will be answered by the people in the operations, yung mga nasa
Ha?
ground po.
Bakit operations? Nabigay na to sa COMELEC, ipagtatanggol mo pa rin to, kahit sinuhulan tong lahat? Pera para
Madam
sa
Chair,
pirma?
as explained, our role in this with PIRMA is to help PIRMA navigate through all the legal issues
Question, Attorney
associated
Abisado.
with
Sandali.
People's Initiative.
Si Mr. Tuason, sinong boss niya? Kanino siya nagre-report?
Hindi ko po alam. I'm sure he can explain himself
No,
pag nandito na siya.
hindi
Ang
mo
sabi niya
alam
po.
kung kanino niyo pinagre-report si Mr. Tuason.
No, Mr. Tuason coordinates with Mr. Onyate and the group of Attorney Garbin.
So si Mr.
And sila po.
Tuason,
Yes po.
syempre dapat lagi niyang ina-update yung principals niya, di ba? Ginagawa ho ba niya yan, Attorney Abad and Mr. Onyate? Si Mr. Tuason ho ba would regularly call you para to say, 100 districts na yung 3%? Or may ganun ho ba kayong report, may ganung, ano ba yan, reporting na ginagawa
meron naman,
si Mr.
Madam
Tuason?
Senadora, meron kaming mga regional coordinators, provincial
Hindi, pero si
provincial
Mr. Tuason
coordinators.
ho,
Pero
ini-inform
meron din
niya ho
mga-
ba kayo
because,
regularly?
PIRMA, Madam Senator, doesn't have a monopoly of
No,
the
I'm
people.
just talking
Yeah.
about to si Mr. Tuason eh. Sino yung mas, kumbaga, kanino siya nagre-report? Sa inyo ho ba? Or kay kay Congressman Garbin?
Sa akin po, sa akin.
So, nagre-report?
tumutulong sila Congressman Garbin sa operations.
So, sa gastusin, hindi lang ho kayo? Kasi like, for example, si Mr. Tuason, I would assume, Madam Chair, magtatanong siya, saan tayo kukuha ng pang-print?
It's all done by referrals.
Hindi.
May
Hindi, for
kakilala
example,
ko
hindi.
na-
Wait, nandali lang ako. For example, itong pagpiprint ng forms, I would assume si Mr. Tuason would ask you, parang, Sir, saan ho tayo kukuha ng panggastos dun sa pagprint ng form? May ganun ho ba?
Yeah,
Nagtanong ho
there
ba
are
siya sa inyo?
volunteers na nag-volunteer, magbayad nito, magbayad nun.
Hindi nga ho eh.
Ang
Hindi, specific
binayaran
ho
ko
dun
yung
kasi
ad.
syempre magsa-start ho tayo dun sa pagprint nga ng papel, di ba? Si Mr. Tuason ba, natanong kayo na, Sir, saan natin kukunin yung pera pang print? Tapos ano hong sagot nyo sa kanya? Maghanap ka ng magdo-donate,
Doon
magvo-volunteer?
kasi sa printing, ang magkakausap yung lawyers at saka si Congressman Garbin.
I guess, sabi ni Mr. Anate, kayo daw yung kausap.
Yes po, tasking po kasi, Senator, yung area, depending on the area. So what we know, yung grupo na Congressman Garbin, kung saan kasama si Attorney Tuason, sila ho gumagalaw on their own.
So sila
Pero
nagpa-print.
Sila po gumagalaw
So
on
sila
their own.
nagpa-print.
Yung kay Mr. Onyate, ang tasking niya
Senator
is on the
Nancy,
TV ad.
Sinasabi nila, parati nilang sinasabi yung Attorney Tuason. 2 weeks ago pa lang ninyo nakilala. Paano siya nagre-report? Tagal-tagal na nitong mga form na to eh.
As to Noel Onyate 2 weeks ago, you're correct, Madam Chair. Pero as to sa grupo nila, Congressman Garbin, Attorney Garbin, matagal na ho sila magkakasama.
Ako,
Thank you po.
ayusin ninyo yung timelines ninyo. Parang hindi to.
Yeah, but-
Kanya po kaming trabaho,
Hindi, pero
kanya-kanya.
si Mr. Tuason ho ba was part nung November, December? Was he part? Attorney Abad, na-meet niya na si Attorney Tuason?
I have never met him.
Wait, so yung taga-organize nyo was not part nung December. Nung kung kailan na nakapag-submit na sa COMELEC, kaya saka siya naging bahagi ng organization?
Madam Chair, Attorney Garbin would confirm that pag nandito na ho siya during the next hearing.
Pero kayo kasi nagsabi na si Attorney Tuason is the organizational head. So I would assume nung December, siya yung nag-download sa baba na, ito yung mga forms, ito yung papipirmahan nyo. Pero lumalabas ngayon, February lang siya pumasok. So sino nag-organize nung December?
Madam Chair, actually, operations po, hindi organizational.
Oo, operation. Yun na nga eh, you made it worse. Kasi kung operation, dapat November pa lang on board na si Attorney Tuason.
Yes po, mako-confirm po yan ni Attorney
Hindi,
Garbin. Sila ho yung
Hindi,
magkakagrupo.
pero inaamin nyo ngayon, February lang siya na-hire.
Hindi po, nag-coordinate with Mr. Garbi, with Mr. Onyate sometime ho nitong January
But
na.
pero he was never part of the initial group.
Oh, ganito. Pwede ba? Kasi hilo na kami, no? Nag-umpisa sa November, ang sabi ni Attorney Abad, pwede ba mag-narration of facts kayo? Tignan namin kung tumutugma sa amin transcript kasi hilo na kami. Pwede, kahit bullet points lang.
Yes, Madam Chair. As we said during the last hearing, iba ho yung grupo namin ni Mr. Oñate when we were engaged as counsel for pirma. Iba ho yung grupo ni na Attorney Garbin. Sila Attorney Garbin, sila po yung magkakasama ni na Attorney Abad. Kumilos din ho sila on their own.
Wait, so
Sila din po ang
Si
kasama.
Attorney Abad, matagal mo nang kilala si Attorney Garbin? Si Congressman Garbin?
No, just last November.
So, sino nagpakilala sa inyo dalawa?
Si Kong Rufus with it.
So, yung initial meeting niyo ng November, si Kong Rufus was there
Yes.
to introduce all of you.